Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. General and legal words are used. Start. As instructed, comma, we put in an execution on the premises in the occupation of the defendant for the amount of your judgment, debt and costs, comma, but learn today from the sheriff that he found a bail in possession under a district for rent, full stop. He is satisfied that the goods on the premises are not like to realize a sufficient sum to pay the rent in full, comma, so that it seems useless to incur further expenses in connection with the execution, full stop. You mentioned at one of our interviews with you that you had reason to believe that various sums are owing to the defendant from certain of his customers and that you could, comma, if necessary, comma, obtain some information as to these, full stop. We should recommend you now to make further inquiries at once, comma, and comma, if you are able to ascertain definitely that there is some owing by any one debitor large enough to satisfy your claim, comma, and will let us know, comma, we shall take steps without delay to obtain an order making the amount payable to you instead of the defendant, full stop. You should lose no time in attending to this matter, comma, as the defendant will, comma, no doubt, comma, the present circumstances, comma, get in the debts owing to him as quickly as the possibly can, full stop. We can issue a judgment summons with a view to getting, comma, an order for payment, full stop.